kids! Welcome to today's fun workout. Get ready to jump, stretch, and move your body. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Jumping jacks. Jump your feet apart, raise your hands up high, jump back together. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, fantastic. Side bend. Stand tall. Raise one arm, lean to the right. Come back. Now lean to the left. Stretch your whole body. Great job. Jog in place. Ready? Jog, jog, jog. Lift your knees, swing your arms. Keep smiling. Awesome. Squats. Stand with your feet apart. Bend your knees. Sit down. Stand up. Down. Up. Excellent. Punches. Make strong fists. Punch forward. Left, right, left, right. You're a superhero. Amazing. Plank. Place your hands on the floor. Keep your body straight. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fantastic. Windmill. Stand with your feet wide apart. Stretch your arms. Touch one foot. Now the other foot. Like a spinning windmill. Wonderful. Mountain climbers. Hands on the floor. Run your knees forward. Fast, fast. Keep climbing. Awesome. Walk kicks. Walk forward slowly. Kick one leg up. Now the other leg. Kick. Walk. Kick. Walk. Excellent. Hooray, super kids. You jumped, stretched, ran, and became stronger today. Remember, eat healthy foods, drink plenty of water, get enough sleep, stay active every day, keep moving, keep smiling, and keep having fun. See you in our next exciting workout. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Bye bye.